Hi, this is Ruth from Tiju's Academy and welcome back to another video. Today's video is all about what is definite article and how we can use it. So let's watch the video. When we talk about something for the very first time, we use a or an, which is indefinite article. And when we talk about it again, we use the, which is definite article. So let's see some situations where we use the with some examples. Okay, when we refer to a particular person or a thing or one already referred to. For example, the pen that you gave me the other day was beautiful. Another situation is when you refer to uncountable nouns to give them an identity. For example, the sand in this beach is hot. Another situation is when a singular countable noun is used to represent the whole class. For example, the computer is a very useful invention. Another one is before a superlative form of adjective. For example, Harnish is the best teacher in the school. Another situation where we use definite article is with ordinal numbers. For example, Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian woman to travel on the spaceship Columbia. And when we speak about things which are unique, that is the only one of their kind. For example, the moon is beautiful. Another situation where we use the is before the name of musical instruments. For example, Lavanya can play the violin. Next is when we name the inhabitant of a country collectively. For example, the Americans were very happy when a person from their country won the race. The next situation is in an adverbial way to show that two things increase in the same proportion. For example, the sooner the better. Last but not the least, we use definite article before some proper nouns like the name of the river, the Amazon, or the mountain ranges, the Alps. So I hope you liked the video, and if you have an appetite for more content like this, keep watching Tiju's Academy.